In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Webflow as a freelancer to manage projects and build websites for clients. Let's get started. Open your Webflow dashboard, where you can access your projects, account settings, templates, learning resources, and workspace. To start a new client project, click New Site and choose whether to begin with a blank site, a template, or the AI site builder. Use project settings to configure your site's general settings, publishing options, SEO, custom domains, forms, integrations, and backups. Choose the appropriate site plan based on your client's requirements, then build, preview, and publish the website when it's ready. Continue managing your client projects from your dashboard, making updates and publishing changes whenever needed. That's how to use Webflow for freelancers. Thanks for watching.